Friends, this is Kaushal Kishore. Welcome to SpeakNowEnglish.com. This is one of the unique and practical method to become a speaker of English. This would provide you one of the best opportunity to become a speaker of English. Now, being as a trainer, I have been developed this program which is on the base of workshop. For the last 20 years, I have been taught for the spoken English trainee to become a native speaker of English. And this is really one of the helpful, unique, creative and practical learning method to become a native speaker of English.
Past tense, bhutkal, had to. Chart of person and number. Person, vyakti. Singular number, ekvachan. Plural number, bahuvachan. First person, pratham vyakti. I, मैं, had to. I had to go to the market. मुझे बाजार जाना था. Plural, we, हम लोग, had to. We had to go to the market. हमें बाजार जाना था. Second person, द्वितीय व्यक्ति. Singular, you, your, तुम्हें या आपको, had to. You had to go to the market. तुम्हें या आपको बाजार जाना था. Plural, you or your, तुम लोगों या आप लोगों, had to. You had to go to the market. तुम लोगों या आप लोगों को बाजार जाना था. Third person, तृतीय व्यक्ति. Singular, he वह male, she वह female, it यह little, this near यह, that far यह, name नाम had to go to the market. Plural, they वे लोग, those वो लोग, these ये लोग had to go to the market. Structure of sentence, वाक्य रचना. Subject plus had plus to plus V1 plus object. Subject plus had plus not plus to plus V1 plus object. Had plus subject plus to plus V1 plus object. Had plus subject plus not plus to plus V1 plus object. WH word plus had plus subject plus to plus V1 plus object. WH word plus had plus subject plus not plus to plus V1 plus object. English and Hindi translation. 1. I had to go to the market. मुझे बाजार जाना था. I had not to go to the market. मुझे बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had I to go to the market? क्या मुझे बाजार जाना था? Had I not to go to the market? क्या मुझे बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had I to go to the market? मुझे कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had I not to go to the market? मुझे कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? 2. We had to go to the market. हमें बाजार जाना था. We had not to go to the market. हमें बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had we to go to the market? क्या हमें बाजार जाना था? Had we not to go to the market? क्या हमें बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had we to go to the market? हमें बाजार कैसे जाना था? How had we not to go to the market? हमें कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? 3. You had to go to the market. तुम्हें बाजार जाना था. You had not to go to the market. तुम्हें बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had you to go to the market? क्या तुम्हें बाजार जाना था? Had you not to go to the market? क्या तुम्हें बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had you to go to the market? तुम्हें कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had you not to go to the market? तुम्हें कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? 4. He had to go to the market. उसे बाजार जाना था. He had not to go to the market. उसे बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had he to go to the market? क्या उसे बाजार जाना था? Had he not to go to the market? क्या उसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had he to go to the market? उसे कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had he not to go to the market? उसे कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? 5. She had to go to the market. उसे बाजार जाना था. She had not to go to the market. उसे बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had she to go to the market? क्या उसे बाजार जाना था? Had she not to go to the market? क्या उसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had she to go to the market? उसे कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had she not to go to the market? उसे कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? 6. It had to go to the market. Add name or situation. इसे बाजार जाना था. Add name or situation. It had not to go to the market. इसे बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had it to go to the market? क्या इसे बाजार जाना था? Had it not to go to the market? क्या इसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had it to go to the market? इसे कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had it not to go to the market? इसे कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? 7. This had to go to the market. Add name or situation. इसको बाजार जाना था. Add name or situation. This had not to go to the market. इसको बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had this to go to the market? क्या इसको बाजार जाना था? Had this not to go to the market? क्या इसको बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had this to go to the market? इसको कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had this not to go to the market? इसको कैसे बाजार जाना नहीं था? 8. That had to go to the market. Add name or situation. उसको बाजार जाना था. Add name or situation. That had not to go to the market. उसको बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had that to go to the market. क्या उसको बाजार जाना था? Had that not to go to the market. क्या उसको बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had that not to go to the market? उसको कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had that not to go to the market? उसको कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? 9. Ram had to go to the market. Add name or situation. राम को बाजार जाना था. Add name or situation. Ram had not to go to the market. राम को बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had Ram to go to the market. क्या राम को बाजार जाना था? Had Ram not to go to the market. क्या राम को बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had Ram to go to the market? राम को कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had Ram not to go to the market? राम को कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? 10. They had to go to the market. उन्हें बाजार जाना था. They had not to go to the market. उन्हें बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had they to go to the market? क्या उन्हें बाजार जाना था? Had they not to go to the market? क्या उन्हें बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had they to go to the market? उन्हें कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had they not to go to the market? उन्हें कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? 11. These had to go to the market. उनको बाजार जाना था. These had not to go to the market. उनको बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had these to go to the market? क्या उनको बाजार जाना था? Had these not to go to the market? क्या उनको बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had these to go to the market? उनको कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had these not to go to the market? उनको कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? 12. Those had to go to the market. इनको बाजार जाना था. Those had not to go to the market. इनको बाजार नहीं जाना था. Had those to go to the market? क्या इनको बाजार जाना था? Had those not to go to the market? क्या इनको बाजार नहीं जाना था? How had those to go to the market? इनको कैसे बाजार जाना था? How had those not to go to the market? इनको कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना था? Mouth translation. Do practice of speaking loudly. Total 72 sentences. Do practice of speaking 10 times loudly. मुझे खेलना था. I had to play. मुझे काम करना पड़ा. I had to work. उसे भीख मांगनी पड़ी. He had to beg. उसे पढ़ना पड़ा. He had to teach. मोहन को दौड़ना था. Mohan had to run. तुम्हें दौड़ना पड़ा था. You had to run. उसे मुंबई जाना पड़ा था. He had to go to Mumbai. राम को रावण से लड़ना पड़ा. Ram had to fight with Ravan. राम को इंतजार करना पड़ा. Ram had to wait. मुझे नहीं पढ़ना था. I had not to read. सीता को जंगल जाना पड़ा. सीता had to go to the forest. उसे किताब खरीदनी पड़ी. He had to buy a book. मोहन को दिल्ली नहीं जाना था. Mohan had not to go to Delhi. उसे उपवास नहीं करना पड़ा. He had not to fast. सोहन को त्याग पत्र नहीं देना पड़ा. Sohan had not to resign. क्या उसे त्याग पत्र देना पड़ा? Had he to resign?